unite us. For here in this altar, I've seen people from different religions, Christianity, Hindu, Muslim, the African ancestor worshippers. I've seen everybody here. I don't even ask you your belief type, your religion, your spiritual lineage or attachment. I don't ask you that. Spirituality is one, but religions, they differ, even in systems. Hallelujah. They differ in systems. Wanda, may you please help me with the phones while I'm getting into this. Now, there is evil. Spirituality comes in two ways, not two ways. I've seen you guys on television, you talk about one thing. It is Western, only Western when it comes to spirituality. Spirit Sunday on SABC 1, you'll see very few and smaller things which are Africa aligned in spirituality. Everything you talk about, it is Spirit Sunday, it is Western or Muslim. Do you know why is that? Do you know why is that? You have lost yourselves. You need to discover yourselves. You have lost yourselves. Not only you, actually to point the finger at the Broadcasting Corporation, but as Africans, we have lost ourselves, our identities, ourselves. We hate everything that is African. We hate our gods. We hate our spirits. We hate our land. We hate our primitive systems. We hate our history. We live our lives as the captives with the mannerisms of the Western captives. Everything that is African has got to be demonized. But I always have said, come to me and say, come over a demon. I can help you. Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Because the word demon, that's what we like. That's what we like. I don't know the word demon in isichitho set. What does it mean? So I like it. I even jump. Like when you say a demon, I jump. I like it. I like it. You know, when Satan, I don't give a damn. I don't give an F. Fuck. I jump. I jump. I like it. That's an English word. That's where I've been captive. I'm living in that captivity. We are colonized. We have lost our identities. Our young ones have been brainwashed to hate everything that is of their own. That's the reason we consult with people in this setup, whenever our problems is a kunile. Not that we didn't want to consult. It is because we lack the knowledge, because that knowledge has been terrorized. We've been made the enemies of our shadows. Are you guys there with me? Now, I always have told people, especially in African spirituality, traditional healing and herbalism, people believe in muti as a root, in muti as an animal fate or remains and all that stuff. And I've always said, if you start or declare a war with me, please, zikuze, I'll kill you so painful. I've studied, I've done researches and found that people call muti just those roots and leaves and barks of the trees. Muti alone is not enough. It does not work. You need powers and spiritual powers in your body with abilities and skills to turn things around, to bring about changes for better or for worse. I possess the powers even to kill a man. I always have called out, I think Bambiza would be if you feel you're having that muscle, or the Rock or the Hulk Hogan or whatsoever, or Steve Austin in the wrestling, in this world of Mutiwazana, come forward. See, we are starting a war. I'm telling you, you're not going to find your feet. I'm a woman. I can hate you so badly and permanently than I can sort you out or heal you or solve your problems. These negative powers are faster than any other powers we have known. That's the reason you're seeing witches being powerful. There are people. Ngizokushaya ugogo wakho ahluleke nokuphenduka ethuneni so umoya wakho vele ulale avela aphume in that spirituality, because ugogo wakho wayephethe leso sikhwama in that era of living. Abathakathi babenza lezo zinto. Abathakathi they are scientific more than the scientists. They discover. So today they've discovered some new ways and systems of demolishing earth, as in destroying man. Are you guys there with me? So if you are having those old formulas, you are a Windows 93, Microsoft 2003. Are you guys there with me? These things in spirituality, powers now are found on a computer and softwares. Ungaba inyanga lokuposta uthi inyanga nje amakhehla lamadala ebezevele ukweposta ngentebe ezinhlobeni ngiyabona mkhulu ngizokushaya mina kungabe nanto okuthiwa idlozi kini mhlaba wonke. Mina I retaliate my wars by killing people, but it's not just people, witches and wizards and people who serve the shakable kingdom of the dark world, who are my everyday enemies. I kill a man. Because in my case studies, I've realized that ukuvimba umthakathi kuphela is not enough. Umthakathi uyakwazi mayisehlulekile ukushaya direct, abuye azokushaya ngalo ohamba naye, azongishaya ngomntanami, azongishaya ngalo umshana wami. Umthakathi uyathanda ukucreate ama-situations a-negative adala inhliziyo ezibuhlungu nahlukanisa nje abantu. Do you know that with the voice only when you call me where we have a mistake? Nyabe ngufundile lento abathi reading ngaqeda nya finish. Singena lami nangutshela izinto with your situation that we have come with here. That situation is a man-made situation. It should have been controlled long back because it never started at the occurrence of that problem. Even equally lokipesha, but they took it otherwise maybe lightly. Point number one, and in that happening, some who are involved in that happening are the cause unaware. We will talk. Sizokuthoka masingenana. Sizokuthoka masingenana. Amanda sehophakama ngiphakame kakhulu. Gogo wami sentela amandla ngiphakame kakhulu. Nkulu kawu ngantela amandla mina ngiphakame kakhulu. Wena wedlulani sentela amandla ngiphakame kakhulu. Some people that come here every day, I do this, I always come late, I sleep maybe about 4, about 5, except just like exam and everything pushing. I'm saying, maybe 8 hours. Who's a function in the racket, man figure and then figure us in train. Man, I'm analysis it. Hey, I want to use the lesson. We're done. We're not the slim. This is got so good. So we're those shumayas and I want to phone this. No, I have to connect. So I say, this is about to that's the reason. When I want to say, I'm being young as name into the Zingalun. Very few to near one. I want to have to move as Nendo. Now, I was Rajal, but Karaja put up with Hazard, but Kupul is busy. I get ngokunjalo. When Kuno go on, got them up for single. When Kuno go on, got them up for single. Ngena nkosazana. Ngena siyojima. Ngena siyojima. Sinama sinyobo. Sinama sinyobo.
Saibona